Bye for dispatch. Good luck on your winner take all. Gates open, they're up and racing. Entry number 10, bahala na. Draws for your lead, Dance Fever right behind in second. New Chapter racing in third, then by the rail is Final Impact. Escolta is running on the outside, Peep. Then followed by Honor Rush, Kirikada, Milagros running by the rail, Yellow Guska. Then by the rail is sneaking in is runner number 1, Erika's Jump. In between runners is Ideal View as they rounded a 600. Escolta goes right for the lead. Dance Fever running in second. Final Impact by the New Chapter, bahala na as they rounded a 450. Escolta this time by about a length and a half. Dance Fever remains in second by the rail. Final Impact, and down the stretch they come. Escolta this time by about a length and a half. Dance Fever running on the outside, then moving up by the rail. Kirikada, Milagros to grab the lead. Kirikada, Milagros moving up on the outside. Show Me Magic, and finally close between Show Me Magic and Kirikada, Milagros. Then comes Dance Fever on a rush. Escolta